Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 42. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 7. Don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 9, and that 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.